Welcome, friends. Today, we're going to practice a short, powerful technique called Kaya Sthairyam, which translates simply to body stillness. It is a practice of absolute physical steadiness that serves not only as the perfect foundation for deep meditation, but also to help you reset your nervous system and give you mental strength. You can do this indoors or outdoors. So find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Settle into your posture. Feel the points of contact between your body and the earth beneath you. Adjust your seat so that your spine is naturally tall, your shoulders are soft, and your chest is open. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it go with a soft sigh. Bring your awareness now to the physical shape of your body in space. In your mind's eye, visualize your body as if you were looking at yourself in a mirror. See the front side of your body, the back side, the right side, and the left side. Visualize your entire form sitting in complete stillness and harmony. Now imagine your body is like a grand ancient mountain rising up from the earth. Your base is wide, heavy, and deeply rooted. Your spine is the central peak, reaching effortlessly toward the sky. Feel the absolute stability of the mountain. Winds may blow, weather may change, but the mountain remains perfectly still, untouched, and steady. Make a silent resolve now within yourself. For the next few minutes, I will not move my physical body, and I will remain steady and motionless like a statue, regardless of the circumstances and transactions around you. If you feel the urge to fidget, to scratch, or to shift, simply observe the urge. Acknowledge it as a passing cloud and choose to remain in the stillness of the mountain. Direct your awareness to the natural flow of your breath, moving in and out of the nostrils. Don't try to change it, just watch it. Feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. As the physical body rests in absolute stillness, notice how the energy within you begins to settle. The mind becomes clear, quiet, and spacious, like a calm lake on a windless day. Gently bring your awareness back to the volume and the space of your body. Take a slightly deeper breath into the belly and into the chest, feeling the chest and the shoulder girdle rising. Slowly begin to bring small movements back to your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Notice how a few minutes of conscious, deliberate stillness can completely shift your state of being. You can use this practice anytime and almost anywhere when you feel overwhelmed, scattered, or before you step into your deeper practice. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this practice, and if you'd like a free copy of my Yoga Therapy Sleep and Nervous System Reset Guide, the link is in the description below. Peace and namaste.